Ladies and gentlemen, Derek here. I just wanted to show you guys an app within Builderall that is included in your monthly $29.90 subscription. That is awesome. It is a browser notification. So what this is going to do is allow you to have people opt in basically on their browser, and then you'll be able to send them push notifications at any time. It's very awesome. So basically what you do is you go to your apps, you go to your browser notifications, and I'm just going to do a test here. And I'm just going to do this. All right, website URL, pop-up size. Again, you can do desktop. These are just desktop notifications. Again, you can change the title text, anything you want it to be. So we could just do desktop notifications test, so that way you can kind of see where it shows up. And this is what it's going to look like when you do the test here. So you could choose an image as well. So go here, and I'm going to choose this one. Okay. You can allow them to, decline, or you can change it. So yes, you can see here it changed right here. Just change it back to no for these purposes. You can change the button colors. You can change it to whatever you wish. You can change the background colors as well. For these purposes, I'm not going to do that, but click done. Campaign added. All right, so what we're going to do is go in and get your code. So then what we're going to do is copy this code in your head section of your site. We're going to go to our site, and we are going to go to edit, and we're going to click your home tab, and we're going to go to your page head scripts, save, close that, save. Alright, and then what we're going to do is go in here and preview, and this should populate. It has to be a live site. Alright, so we're going to go to the live site here. So again, I'm inside my responsive sites, but just to show you an example of what it looks like and what it'll do for you. Click here, and voila. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we'll just say enable notifications. So what this is going to do is we're going to say allow. Now I am actually in, so say I sent this to a customer and they wanted to opt in. Now what we can do is actually see that they've opted in, and now we can send notifications. So you can see here subscribers. You can see there's one subscriber. So in this, I'm going to do a push notification just to show an example. Test. I'm just going to do an image, and we'll say this one. Okay, and we will use this as the URL. Okay, now what we're going to do is click send, and the notification actually went on my other screen here, but you get the idea. So please let me know if you have any questions, but this is just one of the 21 plus tools that are available within Builderall. Thank you so much for your time. You can start your 7-day free trial below.